Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we've got a new type of material. It's Baltic Birch. This is actually a new source that I found locally here. I have to drive about a half hour to get it, but that's about the only place around me that I have it here. So I just want to make a quick video. As you've seen earlier, we already masked it, and then what I did is I went ahead and skipped the cut phase and did the cut phase here already. So I'm testing out a new, well, it's actually an old project that I did a long time ago. So this old project was this little box here. I never actually got to test it out yet, so this is a perfect opportunity to test a new material. So this is the Baltic Birch here, and this Baltic Birch, this actually has a little bit thinner material than the proof grade. So if I take the top off here, you can see that it kind of wiggles back and forth, so it's slightly thinner. I didn't adjust any of the slots, and this is just to show you that you will have to adjust slots if you use different types of materials, maybe even if you use the same type of material, because they can vary just slightly in any kind of design. So all I'm going to have to do is put a little bit of glue on this top here. All of the joints actually fit pretty well. You can see just a smidge smaller here on the actual joints. So that's not a big deal because they all hold together tightly. No glue. If I go like this, it's not going to fall apart. Something cool that we're going to do with this design is we're going to kind of take a risk and just potentially ruin it, possibly, or make it really awesome. I've got this cool like stone spray paint here. It's got like a stone texture to it. I don't know if you can actually see that. Let me go ahead and put that a little bit closer here. So we're going to use that on the outside here, and then since the inside kind of blends together, it should be fine. I'm not going to actually put any on the bottom at all, just because I want that to be sitting flat on the table. What I might actually do is stain the inside like a darker color, try and give it that yin-yang effect where it's like nice and dark on the inside, and then you have that white stone speckled look on the outside. I think that would be kind of cool. So we're going to go out to the shed right after I glue this top on here, and then we're going to do that, and then we'll be back here afterwards. So there you guys have it. That is the stone looking box here after spray painting. The spray painting took quite a while. I probably won't be using this again, just how long it took to actually dry. It's probably because I oversprayed, so obviously if you do lighter sprays it might be better. I'd probably choose a little bit darker of a color too, but as you can see I stained the inside dark here, the outside is like stone, and I did the bottom dark as well. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll throw some before and after photos at the end here, and we'll catch you guys next time.